Hi everybody, I want to share an incredible device that helped my friend with COPD breathe easier. Introducing the Resi opep, a very useful device for clearing mucus from the lungs. My friend Sarah has COPD and used the Resi opep to release mucus from her lungs, and she found it amazing. The Resi opep is designed to effectively release mucus, making breathing easier for those with COPD. Sarah told me that using the Resi opep helped her breathe better and improved her lung function.
It comes apart into 4 parts and it can be put in the dishwasher. You can even autoclave it. It's a professional device that's being used in many hospitals.
Using it is simple. Just breathe in and out through the Resi opep, and it creates a positive pressure and vibrations in your lungs to loosen and expel mucus. If you or someone you know has COPD, I highly recommend trying the Resi opep. It's really a great device. Thanks to Resi opep for helping my friend and others with COPD breathe better.